Hi beauties, welcome back. Just like my last video, I'm shooting this video right after shooting the first video. So it's the same setup, same time of the day. There's a lot of vehicles moving around and so sorry. Please bear with me because if I were to shoot this without any natural light, it's just going to look very disastrous. And if I keep the door closed, I won't be able to shoot it in the right light. And if I were to keep the door open, there's a lot of background noise coming in. So please bear with me, guys. Please bear with. So this video, I'm going to share with you my small little haul from Myntra and Westside. Fair enough? Let's begin. So there's something that I'm very excited to share with you that I got from Myntra at half the price because I've been eyeing these since a long time and I really wanted to try these. And I saw Aparna Sarkar video where she used the True Icon palette and she created this really amazing look. And I thought that I have a lot of Revolution products, but I haven't had the chance to try this. And ever since then, I've been eyeing this and I thought, okay, I've been procrastinating it, thinking, uh, prioritize what you really need over what you really want. And then this time, on Myntra, I saw these at dirt cheap prices and I thought I must grab this. So these two palettes cost me somewhere around 1100 rupees. 1100 rupees odd. Yes. So the both palettes cost me 1100 rupees, whereas individually it was costing me 1100 or 1200 something for one of them on a sale when there was a sale, 70% sale on HOK. So I thought that why not I just grab this now. So this one is the True Icon from Revolution Beauty London and this one is the Enchanted Icon. I'll be honest with you, when I saw Enchanted Icon on the website, I wasn't very sure if these will really suit me. However, when I see them up close and personal, I'm actually excited about using this. And this one, I just knew that I'm going to take this and I'm going to use as much as possible because these are beautiful shades. These really resonate with me. So they are coming with me on my next travel, and let's see. I don't know. I cannot promise anything if I'll be able to shoot on my travel at my next travel that is coming up. Yes or no? सो देखते हैं क्या होता है. सो मिंत्रा के पास से ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा डील मिल गया. और दूसरा जो मेरे प्रोडक्ट था, एक सेकेंड, आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू, quickly show it to you what I'm talking about. So the glow filter eyeshadow pots that I got from Studio West in the shade Goldie and Aura. This is what the pots look like. In case you haven't seen them already, this is when it opens up. There is a safety lid on it. This is what it looks like. If I were to swatch it and show it to you, this is what it looks like. I don't know if this effect is picking up on camera or not, but it's beautiful. Um, for evening makeup, this is really a very beautiful option. And this one is the shade Goldie. I hope you're able to see this. Again, very beautiful. There was another shade that I was most excited about, but then they had only a defective product left with them, so I just skipped taking that. The name of that shade was Prism. So yeah, that's one thing that I wanted to share with you. The other things that I got from Studio West are these lip paint plus gloss dual use lip duo. So this is called lip duo. And honestly, I was expecting it to be a better one, but then the pigment is awesome. What I'm trying to say is that the pigment is really awesome. Okay, there's no doubt about that. But if you were to apply this and let it dry and then use this, it will pick up the color. and this entire clear gloss of yours is going to get tinted, because I can give you proof. You can see the wand, and it has already changed a little bit of color if you were to compare it and see. So I wasn't very happy about that, but the shades are really this season, uh, they are really the in colors which we are using. We are going in for the dark shades this season. Apparently everyone's been using it, and I like both of them. One of, hey guys, मिंत्रा का एक प्रोडक्ट जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाह रही थी और मैंने नहीं किया, वो ये था। नहीं किया मतलब मैं भूल गई। दिस इज द वन। It has surprised me a lot. I love perfumes, basically I love all girly things, लेकिन buying perfumes online has never been my style. However, this time I just went for it. I was like, let's just try it. And I got this Blee Blah Blue. Or Blah Blee Blue? Blee Blue Blah. No, 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 no. It's Blah Blee Blue. Blee Blue Blah. This is what it is. Please just, yeah, it's Blah Blee Blue. Sorry. Just go ahead and purchase this if you're someone who wants a really cheap perfume which works for at least 5 to 6 hours, minimum 5 to 6 hours. तो मैं कहूँगी इतने cheap rate में अगर आपको ये perfume मिल रहा है, just what's wrong? I thought this has a fantastic name, Love Drunk, and also that their notes were candied nuts, cinnamon, dates. I just knew that it will carry some sweetness. I don't like sweet fragrances. However, there was candied nuts, and there was mention of it being a little woody and fruity as well. So I thought I should try it, and I did, and it's really nice. It's great for evenings, and it's perfect for this season. You can go ahead and try this. Let me know that they have this oud, something red velvet or something. This bottle is completely red, okay, and honey or oud is the name of their perfume. I'll just put it in this video. That too is a great option. However, I haven't purchased it, but if this performs this well, I'm sure that one will too. And then, no, it's not a paid promotion. I don't have any paid promotions on my channel. I just liked it a lot, and I thought I should share it with you. So, bye, love drunkies. Take care. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. This was my small little haul from Myntra and Westside. I hope you guys liked it. So, if you like it, please hit like, share, subscribe. Bye.